everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I repaired my newly applied peel and stick wood flooring. I damaged it, but I'm going to show you how I repaired it and also share with you the difference between permanent and temporary peel and stick adhesive. If you're interested in seeing how I did this, then just keep watching, and I want to thank you all for stopping by. So I am going to share with you, today's video is about how I repaired my flooring in the foyer entry, and I just laid that down maybe, I think it's been about a month, maybe 2 months, and I damaged it because I used this tape, mounting tape that I got from Amazon, and it's not supposed to be used for what I used it for. And it looks like this. It's two-sided mounting tape and it is very strong. I wouldn't use it to hang up pictures because I don't think it's strong enough to hold the weight of pictures that has heavy glass or something, but maybe something that's very lightweight. When I did my 2023 spring downstairs home tour, I showed you all the foyer entry and I showed you all the rug that was down there. I have it right here in my office. To keep it from sliding all over the place or anyone slipping or tripping, I mounted the four corners with this mounting tape. And I should not have done that because I damaged the flooring that I put down. But I'm sharing this. I wanted to say, if this is something that you want to use, this product, and I will leave the link in the description box below. Anyone that likes to purchase this peel and stick wood look flooring, it's permanent. I didn't read where it says it was removable. Anything is removable. The thing is it going to cause damage after you remove it? So I share with people on videos when I do peel and stick wallpaper or anything, and if you want to remove it and put it in your apartment, make sure it says it's repositional and removable, not just removable, because you can remove anything. The thing is, you don't know if it's going to cause damage. I went to pull up the carpet or the area rug, and the tape stayed on the floor. Well, when I tried to pull that up, it was hard to pull it up, so I went to scrape it up, and I even used oil to try to loosen up because I didn't have any glue gun. I tried using the heat from the blow dryer to make it soft, so it just didn't work at all. And I went to scraping so hard till I damaged my floor. And this just one area I damaged, and I'll be showing that here in the clip. So what I wanted to share before I show you the video, repaired it. I wanted to share, to give a disclaimer, with this peel and stick flooring that I used, permanent. If you put it down and you want to pull it right up, you can pull it right up. But if it sits on the floor, I want to say if it sits on the floor maybe 2 or 3 days and it gets acclimated to the temperature in your home, it's going to permanent part of the floor. So if you're in an apartment and you don't have approval by your landlords to get this done, I wouldn't use this. But if your landlord is okay with it staying there after you move out, then fine. This is my home. So with me damaging it, I was able to repair it to where it looks like there's nothing has ever been done except for what it looked like it was originally. Now let's get on with showing how I repaired the damage that I caused to my foyer entry. This is where the tape was, so I'm trying to take my time to remove that without damaging my floor, but here I damaged it. While trying to pull this up, see, this is the original flooring underneath. I was pulling the top layer up and started pulling it all up and damaged it. Well, I don't want to take any chances of trying to just pull this piece out. It's just this here. So because it's so thin, I had enough left where I can go right on top of that, and it's thin enough till it's not lifting up too much. Okay, so here's the piece that I'm getting ready to cover up. And like I said, because it's so thin, it won't it's not going to be like a level sticking up higher than anything else. So I'm going to just follow what I have already here. And it's very, very thin. Okay, you know what? I'm going to, all right, I'm seeing this white edge here. I'm going to put this backing back on here, and I'm going to cut that off because I don't want that seen when I put that down. So I'm going to get my, what do you call it? My X-Acto knife. And I'm going to cut this straight because this, I don't want to see this when I put it down. I want it to be clean cut like this. So I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so I got the edge cleaned. There's no white showing. Same with here. I'm going to go ahead and cover up this part. And I'm just going to follow the one that I have on here already. And okay, pull this up a little bit. See how I was able to pull that up just now? That's because it's down, you know, a fresh piece. But if you were like I can do this here because it's a fresh piece, but once it's down, that's it. It is down. So I'm trying to make sure it's even. And then what I'm going to do, since I don't have the, you know, those rollers, I'm going to get a rolling pin that I have and just press it down with a rolling pin. And that covers up that big mistake. Okay, here's my rolling pin, and I'm just going to press it down as hard as I can. I'm trying to get the ends as well too. And I don't use this rolling pin for anything. This is just a pin that I got from the thrift store that I use as a decor piece. Okay. Now, as far as those other 3 spots, I'm just going to take my time and try to get it up so I don't have to do this again. So let me just show you what this looks like now. Okay, so I repaired my mistakes. Now again, this piece right here, excuse me, putting the block down. This piece right here is the piece that I covered. Well, I took a strip, and you can barely see it because I made sure I took a piece that had a knot because I didn't have a whole piece. So this is a strip here, and it went inside the closet. I cut it like 1/8 too short, so I put the part in here. Let's see, let's find it again. It's this piece here, and you can see right there, I cut it just maybe just 1/8 too short, so I put that part inside the closet. But that's how I repaired that. So again, it's this piece and that piece. And then up here, I was able to cover what was over here. And let me find, okay, and it is this right here. So that's a piece there, but it looks like it blends in with that. So that's what that part was. And then this I didn't even cover. I used the sanding block. Where is it? Right here to sand it, and it just blended in. So I didn't have to put a piece there. But that's how, and because it's graded, you know, light and dark and medium tones, that's how I was able to blend those strip pieces that's over here and the stripped piece that's here. Again, I had a whole piece to cover that, but it's so thin that it doesn't even sit up, you know, above the piece that it's on top of. So I repaired. And that right there, and then that strip, I don't know why that is so dark. I guess I see some dark. I guess so when you're laying it out, you lay dark, light, dark. Like I noticed that when I looked in the video when I was showing my spring makeover downstairs, I noticed that this part is dark, and I'm just now seeing that. And I guess when you pull it out the box, just like when you do real wood, you lay it out first to make sure that you don't have like a patch here like I got. But I'm so glad I was able to correct or to fix that mess that I made of putting that peel and stick two-sided tape down there that was actually for permanent and not removable, because that would have drove me nuts. And again, I put the rug in my office, so I know from now on when I get a rug for here, because this can be slippery, I'm going to buy a gripper, a rug gripper to go up under the rug. But I just wanted to show that to everybody. So if you get something like this and you say you make a mistake like that, I did the little sanding block just for that little spot over there, but the rest of them I couldn't get up with a sanding block. I was able to sand over there a little bit on this part here, but still you would have seen it more, so I just went on top of that with another piece. Okay, just wanted to share that with you. So I hope this video was helpful for those that are interested in using that product. Know that when you order something that says peel and stick and removable, it is removable, but the thing you don't know is if there's going to be any damage after it sits on your surface, whether it's the wall or the ceiling or the floor or furniture piece at any time. What I like to make sure that I read when I order something, I like to make sure that it says if it's repositional and removable. It'll say those two words, removable and repositional, peel and stick, whatever it may be. So again, I hope this was helpful for you all. Please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. Ask that you look at some other videos to see if these types of DIYs, because that's basically what I do, and I am now expanding out to clean and decorate with me. So if these are the type of videos that you like, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I would love to read your comments, and if you have any other questions about this that I have not addressed about this, please feel free to put the questions in the comments, and I try to get right back to the comment sections of my videos within 24 to 48 hours. And for my faithful viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your viewing support. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.